All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hysen, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been trading about 3 years now. Feel like I'm almost there, but I'm still struggling with quite a few things. Trying to build better habits. Anyway, I'm streaming my journey live every market open, so you guys can see my entries, exits, my mental situation, all that good stuff. If you'd like to join me on my journey, please hit that like button and subscribe. For now, we are about to go over my trades for the day. Now, this is my third attempt at recording this review. First time the mic was muted. Second time the screen capture was frozen in the background, so none of the chart was moving on OBS. So I already got my notes. I'm just gonna kind of run through here. Sorry, you guys, but I'm running out of time. Anyway, first trade of the day was a 5 minute break over VWAP where it sold off first 5 minute candle, then it retook VWAP and closed over VWAP, and I bought the break over that 5 minute candle. I did add on the way up just on the break over the actual opening range, which is not a terrible spot to add, but it made me raise my stop. If I was going to add without raising my stop, then that might have been okay, but it pulled back and made a higher low and stopped me out. And you shouldn't get stopped out on a higher low. So that was my mistake. I saw it as a higher low, so I got right back in. But in hindsight, looking at this long topping tail, I feel like that's kind of telling me there's resistance above. Be careful. Probably should have waited for it to break that level and then come back and retest, where I would have seen that it was weak. You know what I mean? So however, I do think that just with this entry here, I got pretty close to 2R where I think I could have justified moving my stop up to break even. Just because, I mean, if it falls all the way back in from this type of move up, it's probably weak, you know. I think I got to kind of trust my instincts a little bit more when it comes to managing the trade. I feel like I have a lot of the right feelings, but it's more of I don't want to let go of a trade that I've already got in. You know, it's that chance that it might go good, and it might go good, and then I might be feeling another type of way if I get out early, and it doesn't crash out. But I feel like these are pretty good signs. Um, if I didn't want to move to break even, just realizing this and how fast it moved up, this big red candle right here should have been enough. Like, yeah, that's a big move down. Let's move up to stop. You know what I mean? I did not do that though. So both of these stopped out in 1R. Came down here and bought this reversal, which I can't justify it. It's a 5 minute reversal, not in the playbook. There's no support level nearby. There's no reason. There's no volume spike. There's no reason to expect this to be a good move, right? But then we flip over here to this purchase, which I actually bought on 15-minute hammer reversal, which you see we got this level here created yesterday when it pulled back in and bought all the way up. Same thing happened here. Came down here, 15-minute hammer down to this same level, and I bought the break over that. And then I also added as it traded through VWAP. The problem was I never flipped into take profit mode. And I even started adding up here at the top of the range. Like, ridiculous, ridiculous. I guess I was kind of thinking maybe we were creating a base here and we would, I was hoping for the big move up, at least the pre-market highs, but did not work out in my favor. So it stopped out, ended up turning this good trade into a break-even trade, which is crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But, it'd be like that sometimes. I got to capture profit. I got to capture profit. I made a green to red move too. Like I could have closed green on the day on this trade, but got impatient, and I think that's really what it was. I got impatient and wanted to get out of the trade, and I was like, well, if I'm gonna move my stop up, I might as well increase my leverage, and since I'm gonna stop out near break even anyway, just not the good mindset to have. I should have taken the profits. And then this trade down here, this was also a 15-minute hammer reversal down to yesterday's close. So I bought the break and added because I was a little too light right there, and added again as it traded over VWAP. But again, I did not get into take profit mode. This also gave me like 3R and I did nothing. So the theme for today, for tomorrow, it's definitely going to be just taking the profits, doing the 1R trail. Can't be wishy-washy about my plan, right? Like I got to be firm on it. This is I'm committing to this. I want to do streaks of, I want to make a big deal about stringing together days where I don't violate any of these rules. That's the new thing. It's not about green days. It's about rule streaks. The rule streak. Okay? That's the plan going forward. I have enough in here to keep me happy. I added the 15-minute hammer reversal. Has to be at support. I guess I kind of need to modify the entry checklist because of this 15-minute hammer reversal. Because these checklists and disqualifiers really only apply to the first two in the playbook. So really, and that is a 15-minute hammer at support. Yeah. Font, go bold and underline. All right. All right, so that's the plan going forward. I'm going to commit to this. I'm good with the $5 risk. I'm good with the stop to break even at 2R and then the 1R trail. Honestly, when it gets to 2R, I should just cancel the stop and put in a trailing stop at 1R. Literally. That's really what I should do. I should put an alert. Well, I'm sitting, all I'm doing is watching the SPY. I don't need an alert. Just need to pay attention. All right, yeah, so that's the plan for tomorrow. Take profits. And just pay attention, man. We got this. You know what to do. I know what to do. I know what I'm doing. I know what I want to, I know what I like. And just got to pay attention. And we got this. We got this. I'm telling you, we're here. I feel it. I feel it in my bones. We're here. This is where I need to be. I'm loving the SPY. I'm loving the SPY. Yeah, I'm feeling it right now. Watch me work, y'all. About to get to the bag. Anyway, appreciate you guys for being a part of my journey. Hit that like button and subscribe. Discord links in the description. And I'll check y'all out tomorrow, man. Peace.